Okay, one last report. This is our front porch. We're completely drifted in now. This is our front porch. Or our deck, our side porch. This is the cellar hill. It's right by the cellar door that's right by. And I don't know if you can see out there, you probably can't, but under where that light is, there's supposed to be a road there. So anyway, I'm going to try to move closer, get a picture of the street. So it might go a little dark, but I'm going out there to get a picture of the street. Okay, here he goes. I know it's dark. There's supposed to be a street here. This is supposed to be a street. So you can see